Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered which apps on your phone can actually access your camera? Most people only think about the camera app, but the truth is many other apps can request camera permission too. If you've installed lots of apps over the years, it's a good idea to review which ones still have access. In this video, I'll show you how to check this on Android. I'll demonstrate it on two different phones because the settings may look slightly different depending on the manufacturer. So let's get started. Check camera permissions. First, open settings on your phone, look for privacy or privacy and security. On some phones, you may need to open privacy protection instead. Next, tap permission manager or app permissions. Here you'll see different permission categories like camera, microphone, contacts, etc. Now open camera. Here you'll see every app that currently has permission to use your camera. On many Android phones, you'll also see when each app last accessed the camera, which can be very helpful. For example, you might see apps like Camera, WhatsApp, and Instagram. If those are apps you regularly use, that's perfectly normal. But if you notice an app you don't recognize or one that has no reason to use your camera, it's worth taking a closer look. Change camera permission, tap on any app in the list. You'll usually see options like allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. For apps you trust, such as WhatsApp or your camera app, allow only while using the app is usually the best choice. If you rarely use an app or you're not sure why it needs camera access, you can choose Ask every time. And if an app doesn't need your camera at all, simply select Don't Allow. Remember, if you later discover an app genuinely needs camera access, you can always turn the permission back on. Check your browser's camera permission. There's one more setting many people never check. If you use Google Chrome, open it now. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then scroll down and open Site Settings, then tap Camera. By default, Chrome allows websites to ask for permission to use your camera. If you rarely use your camera in websites, you can change this to Don't allow sites to use your camera. This prevents websites from requesting camera access unless you decide to enable it again later. If you regularly use video meeting websites or browser-based video calls, you may prefer to leave this setting enabled so trusted sites can ask for permission when needed. Checking your camera permissions only takes a minute, but it's something every Android user should do from time to time. Doing this won't stop apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or your camera app from working normally, but it does give you better control over your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.